time is it?
Time to go get a new boat.
Yeah, way too hyper, way too early in the morning. First fill up. We got a six.
Starting route to 5032 Capital Circle Southwest.
Alright, we just finished passing Orlando. So we got 3 hours and 20 minutes till we make it to Tallahassee. As you guys saw in the title of the video, we're buying another boat. This is our 4th boat, but it's something that I gotta pick up. I can't let this one slide. And I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. So, look at Miss Boat Vibes. We've been driving for about 4 hours already. I'm exhausted. I was so excited last night that I couldn't sleep. And I'm running on fumes right now. Morning.
Are we there yet?
We're a little bit past halfway. But I want to stretch my legs and get some breakfast. Yummy in her happy place. In the middle of nowhere, eating avocado toast from Dunkin' Donuts. This is the only way I'm able to convince her to buy a boat.
That's not true.
Giving her food.
I'm the one who said let's buy the boat.
Oh,
Gosh.
looks like we need a gas station. Ouch. 11 minutes away. And yeah, I got Miss Boat Vibes driving. Got my shirt off because it's a little toasty in here. I don't know what happened to the AC, but we'll fix that after we get the boat. There she is. Surprise, surprise. Man, what a long drive.
Hey, I hear you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Lewis.
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 She's the one who convinced me. Let's come take a look at it.
Okay. Well, I'm hoping it ain't perfect,
No, it's good.
but it might be perfect for what you want. That's what I'm hoping.
Yeah.
At that particular time, I'd heard about Checkmate. Checkmate dealers would redo your boat. Back to,
Oh, really?
Back to factory specs if you was willing to pay the money. So I couldn't find any dealers around here. So I called Checkmate, and they were in transition. They'd closed down and were trying to get back going. And this was around 2013 because I got the receipt.
Okay.
And I said, dude, I heard about this. Well, we're not really doing that. I said, well, I need new upholstery for my boat, you know. And he goes, well, he went in there and they pulled my serial number, pulled all the specs for my boat. He said, and if I knew, hindsight's 20/20. He said, for $2,500, I will send you all the upholstery with 2 new seats. I said, well, what if I just get the covers for the seats? Because my seats were in good shape at that time.
Yeah.
He said, well, that'll knock about $125, $150 off, which covered my shipping.
Yeah.
I was having to watch my pennies a little more right then. So he sent it in here, and then when I pulled the covers off the seats, that was all moldy and crap. And I was like, man, I should have bought the seat. But there's a place in Georgia called the Recovery Room. It's just across the line. They do a lot of business down here on boats. I called them for $100. They skinned them for me with my stuff.
All of it just comes up?
Just the whole seat. Just slide the seat completely to you. Now, lift up on it.
Okay.
30-gallon tank.
Yeah, same tank I have. Oh, at least this is starboard.
Yeah, and they did all that instead of...
At least this is starboard and this is starboard too?
So was this.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
The only thing I didn't get reupholstered was now these are, when I first put it in, I didn't have good, I should have brought that aluminum. You're gonna take that. How much boating weather's left down south right now? Another month or two? Or?
A month or two. We boat all year long.
I hate y'all.
Oh,
I
yeah.
had mine, and all my friends, I'm the only one retired. I have nobody to go boating with. Nobody.
Oh, yeah.
I hate going by myself, but nobody wants to go. They got
No,
grandyoungins. They got this going.
I got groups of people that we go on the regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we're in a big boating community, especially us that we have the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We're in a pretty big boating community.
All you do is the YouTube channel now?
YouTube. I'm also a yacht captain.
Okay.
So I'm a private yacht captain for a family on salary, and then I do YouTube.
Cool.
And then a little bit of touch-up glass work, like if it's something quick 500 bucks, quick 600
No more
bucks.
than you want to do.
You know?
You have to do.
Yeah.
That's-
Long term, this is gonna be my race boat.
I got you.
So long term, I'm gonna make a hatch that comes up to here.
Okay.
I'm gonna change the seats and put big bucket seats
Uh-huh.
to race it class 7.
Okay.
So class 7, there's probably like 20, 25 boats that race at a time.
All right.
Any water gets in it when you turn?
Not that I can find.
Like when you turn, no water comes in through the top cap and the bottom cap?
Not that I have any clue of.
Well, obviously, when your bilge pump is empty.
It is. Only time I've ever turned the bilge pump on is when it rains. I left it parked on the river or something. And so when I found that boat, he's actually advertised online for a pretty steep price. And you ain't gonna get that without a boat. And I'm sitting there thinking, you guys haven't looked at Checkmate without a motor. I'm like, the ones I saw, boats like that with a 200 or so, were $16,000, $17,000 if they were in decent shape. And I'm like,
Yeah.
and I got a motor. My motor's jammed up and jelly tight. I just had to put a new computer on it, new fuel pump on it.
It was an EFI?
Yeah. So it runs strong.
Your starter solenoid went out on your motor?
No, that's the
Solenoid for the you have
for the tilt and trim.
trim.
They were intermittent.
Yeah.
I just had them both
Yep.
replaced.
I mean, the only thing is the seat and floor. The seat and floor is the only two things that I see. How fast was she going with the 200?
60 all day long.
60?
All day long. It won't go 1 mile an hour over 60.
With the 200? What prop?
200. I run a 25 pitch 4-blade.
25, like trophy or Bravo? Is it a big diameter or small
Big
diameter?
diameter with clipped, dog clipped ears on it.
Oh, that's the ballistic.
It's a ballistic.
Yeah, that's ballistic.
It ran good. See, all of this appears so solid to me. I feel like everything was in good shape.
Yeah. Let me see the title, please. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I gotta redo the floor. Obviously, it's a checkmate, so the stringers are not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna show them the inside a little bit. Once we get back to Miami, I'll show them the inside. Let's see. A6933 Alpha Bravo or 8888. What's this? Oh, this.
Just a few receipts I had.
Okay.
I couldn't find it, so I had to get a duplicate. So I went and got a new one.
Okay.
And then that was trailer tires, I think.
Yeah, trailer tires. They're new?
Not new, but they're
What day was
a
it?
few years old. And then
Okay.
there's the upholstery.
Gotcha.
That might have been where they, I don't know if that's a Checkmate.
Two boat seats.
That's where he skinned them for me.
Okay.
And then I think this stuff is where I got them from Checkmate.
Gotcha. Let me talk to her very quick.
Okay.
Just 2 seconds.
Sure.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Like it?
I like it.
Want it?
Yeah, I just gotta redo the floor
Okay.
sooner than I thought. So the transom is good. There's no cracks here. There's like literally like no hairline cracks. Only this little light one right here, but that could be just a scratch. All right, so 8. If you want to count that, that's 8.
Terrible count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the 2,300. I don't have 10. You want
It's
me
fine.
to-
That's yours.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's yours.
Guys,
That's fine.
y'all don't know how happy. Y'all, it's one of those, I just felt the burden go off my shoulders. People are such turds.
Yeah.
And it's gotten worse since you don't have to look somebody in the eye anymore.
Yeah.
It's like, man, come on.
I just need you to sign. Seller must sign here
Yeah.
and print name in the bottom.
Wait a minute.
No, it's fine. It's
You
fine.
sure?
Positive. It's fine. It's fine.
I didn't think I had any money.
Oh, thank you for working with us.
We are proud owners of a 1988 21 Checkmate Starflight. We got it for $2,300. So I hope you guys are excited. Please drop the like. I want this video to get noticed by other people, and liking the video is what helps that happen. So now we're gonna try to make it all the way back home with a trailer that I have no experience with. So hopefully there's no issues there. Yeah, let's go. We just had a blowout. Luckily, I came a little prepared for a blowout, and I brought my jack and my tool. What the hell? Spacers. So we're about 2.5 hours away from Orlando. We're gonna be staying there tonight in a hotel. So hopefully this side with just one wheel, it lasts all the way and we don't got no more incidents. So it is what it is. Fourth time filling up, but it was worth it. We stayed in this Motel 6 last night. Nothing happened to this beauty.
French toast sticks.
You're happy now? Hello?
I'll get the Burger King. What's your order?
You don't trust my driving skills, man?
No, I absolutely do, but it's just their garden. I don't want to get fined for it.
By the time they see it, they won't realize it was us.
You're right.
Oh, see. Gracias, man. Just telling me, leave the boat there for me, man, please. If you knew that it doesn't have an engine and that the floor needs to be repaired, I don't think you'll want it. But I want it, and I think we got an amazing deal. Because after I put my love into it, everyone's gonna be like, "Oh my God, your boat is so badass."